Hey guys, welcome to Southern Ladies Recipes. Thank you all so much for joining me today. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment at the bottom. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so once I post a video, you can creep on over here and check me out. So as you can tell, we have these beautiful items sitting on my countertop. We are making orange chicken today. So we have our ginger, orange juice, we have some canola oil, we have chicken tenderloins. We have crushed red pepper, optional. Soy sauce, sesame oil, rice wine vinegar, dark brown sugar, cornstarch, a fresh orange because we're going to use the orange zest. We have our salt, our pepper, garlic, chopped garlic. We have some scallions. Some people say green onions, and some eggs. So are you all ready to make this goody goodness? Because I am. I didn't have lunch today and I'm ready to smash. What about y'all? Come on, let's make some goody goodness. Okay guys, so I have taken that whole pack of chicken tenderloins and I just cut them in threes. As you can tell, they're big, nice size. So we're gonna put this to the side. Grab our bowl. So we're going to take 2 tablespoons of our cornstarch. We're going to put this in the bowl. 1 and 2. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. And we have our 4 eggs that we had. I got a little bit of the yolk in there, but it's okay. But our 4 eggs that we had, I took the 4 egg whites. And so we're just going to pour it in here with the cornstarch. We're going to take our salt and just a little bit. Half a teaspoon, to season it. You got to season it. Always season your food, people. Please, please, always season your food. And then we're going to take our pepper. And we're just going to put a little bit of that pepper on in here. Ooh, I'm getting a workout. I'm not going to be doing all this. Yes, I did. And so we're just going to whip that up. I always forget something. So we're just going to whip this up real good. And we're just going to let the chicken sit in this for just a few minutes. So we're just going to pour that in there and let it sit and chill for about 5 minutes. And now we're going to get ready to prepare this sauce so you all can see. So we can get ready to make the sauce. Okay, so we're just going to do that. Let that sit to the side. I'm sorry if my bowl wasn't in the camera, guys. My bad. Okay, so we're just gonna let this chill, and now we're getting ready to make the sauce. All right, so it's time to make our sauce for our chicken. So I have 1.5 cup of orange juice. I'm just gonna pour it on in my pan. I have 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar. Just gonna plop that on in there. Give it a little whisk. Gonna season with just a little black pepper. And a little bit of our salt. I'm always forgetting something. I am so horrible at this. So we're going to take 1/2 teaspoon of our crushed red pepper. Remember, it's optional, so you don't have to use it. So just 1/2 teaspoon. Remember, we like it spicy around these parts. I'm I'm gonna take you know what? Let me go ahead and do my cornstarch before I get to all these wet ingredients. We're gonna take a teaspoon of our cornstarch, okay? That's the thickening. This is gonna make our orange sauce thick by using the cornstarch. So make sure that you whisk that in very, very, very well. You do not want clumps of cornstarch in your sauce. That won't taste well. All right. So got that all mixed in together. Be still. Okay. Move all my ingredients around. We are going to take 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. 1 teaspoon of our sesame oil. We're going to take 1 teaspoon of our chopped garlic. Here we go. And we have 1 tablespoon of our rice vinegar. And we have 1 tablespoon of our soy sauce. I'm not going to do this with this top. We're going to take the top off, okay? So let me go ahead and mix this all together so this can be just marinating. Yeah. Oh, it smells so delicious. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Okay, so do we have everything? No, we don't. We're forgetting our ginger. Bam. So we're going to use a teaspoon of ginger. I guess it'll work if I take off the seal, huh? Here we go. Now, while I'm doing this sauce, I have my canola oil heating up to fry the chicken. So we're just gonna let this simmer. I'm gonna put the top on and let it cook. I have it on medium heat. And so we will be back. So I turned around. Blooper. So I turned around to put my ingredients on the counter. And the orange was looking at me like, I know you didn't forget about me. And I'm like, oh, I did. So remember when I told you all we were going to use the orange zest. So we're just going to put I used the zest of all the orange. Ooh. Sorry about that steam in your face. Oh, that smells so good. But we're going to use all of the orange zest, okay, guys? Please forgive me. I do this all the time. But you know what? If you ain't forgetting nothing, you ain't no real cook. I said it. But anyways, we're going to continue to let this simmer. And the grease is ready for the chicken. And your chicken should look like this after it's been sitting a while, because you know, like I said, the cornstarch is a thickening agent. So now we're getting ready to put this in the grease and fry it up. We'll be back, y'all. Okay, guys, our chicken is all done. So this is what it should look like. This beautiful, crispy, golden brown color. The cornstarch gives it that crunchy taste, and it's delicious. So now we're gonna check on our sauce. Oops, sorry about that. Are you gonna get it right? Come on, guys. There we go. Okay, as you can tell, the sauce is thickened. So we're just gonna take our chicken that we fried and we're just gonna scoop it on in that delicious sauce. Ooh, 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 ooh. I cannot wait to eat this. It's gonna be delicious. So what you're gonna do is just, like what I'm doing, just gonna get the sauce all tossed real well on your chicken pieces. Oh my goodness. Oh, this smells so good. I know what I'm having for lunch at work, tomato. What you gonna have, Southern lady? Leftovers. Everybody gonna try to come over to my desk. No, 6 feet. Thank you. Get away. Bye. Make your own. Matter of fact, why don't you just come to Southern Ladies Recipes on YouTube and you can get the recipe and make it yourself. Hey, Puck. So we're just gonna let this simmer for just a few minutes, and then when we come back, baby, it's gonna be tasty time. Okay, guys, it's tasty time. And this looks delicious. So I do have some chopsticks, but I'm hungry, so we're going straight fork style, okay? Here we go. It's tasty time. Doesn't that look delicious? Can y'all see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Here we go, guys. Oh, by the way, I did make some rice, as you can tell. Just can't have chicken with no rice. Mmm. 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 Mm-hmm. 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 Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. This is so freaking delicious. Now, I love me some Pay Way, and I love me some P.F. Chang, and some Panda Express. But this right here, I gotta make it myself. So thank you all for coming to Southern Ladies Recipes, my page, your new favorite channel on YouTube. This is my orange chicken, guys. Please try it. Comment at the bottom. Let me know how you liked it. Ooh, I gotta go make me an adult beverage. Bye.